do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good.
Okay guys, today is going to be a simple tutorial on how to download the Xmedia Recode software. So the Xmedia Recode software is a file converter software, and it's really useful for converting from MP4 to MP3 or any other kind of file format conversions. So firstly, you open your web browser, and you need to go to this link, which will be given in the description below. After you reach this page, you need to scroll down to the portable version. When you reach this portable version, you need to click on the 64-bit download hyperlink, and it should start downloading the compressed file here. After you have downloaded the zip file, you need to extract it now. So you select the file and right click on it and say extract all. For this video's purpose, I'm just going to extract it to this file folder location. After the extraction process is done, you can open the unzipped folder and look for the .exe file, which is the application itself, and open it. When this window pops up for you, you can just say more info and say run anyway. If you want a video demonstration of me using this software, you can go to the link I will be giving in the description below. That's it for today, guys. If you liked this video, leave a like, please comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.